Hello everyone and welcome to 4J Media Live. Today, for May 2nd, we're going to talk about how to get started with PowerPoint. So let's jump right into it. This is going to be fun. So if you check out my Office 365 account here, and you see what I have here, I'm inside the app launcher and I selected PowerPoint. So we're online in the web version of Office 365. So you can select a new blank presentation. You can make gallery design. And there's more themes here. So let's look through those real quick just to get an idea. Let's do tech divided design. And so if I hit simplified ribbon, right now this is a minimized menu. But if I hit simplified ribbon, what that's going to do is extend this down. Yes. I'm going to hit OK. And now the menu is bigger, so it's easier to use. So here's the other thing. If I click here, or if I hit F5 on my keyboard, which I'm going to do right now, that should throw it into... Oh, no, it didn't work. Now I have it in presentation mode. So I can advance through the slides and go back, and that's one way to get to view the slideshow. So you can, I got to figure out what the shortcut is because I'm used to using F5 and I did that and it refreshed the page. So you're gonna have to adjust to that too. So first we're gonna go over the file menu. So in the file menu, if you click file, it'll pop open here and you can go to info. So you can open this presentation in Microsoft PowerPoint. However, you cannot in this example because I do not have it installed on my desktop. So it only works on the cloud. If you click new, it'll open up the option to create a new document. And you can choose from a variety of these templates, or you can do a blank presentation. And let's do that once just to see. So what it does is it will open up a presentation in a new tab. And so you can run multiple presentations at once. You can edit multiple presentations. Not that you'd want to do that, but that's an option. So I'm going to close this out. And there we go. If you double click on this right here, actually you just click once. If you click once, you can call this test, hit enter, and that saves that file as tests, so you don't need to go from there to figure out what the name of the file is or where to go to name the file. If we go back to file, okay, so let me go back to file. If we go to print, share, let's go to share. We can share with people. We can embed it on a website. So you can embed this on a website. So you could create a PowerPoint, embed it, and then it will run the PowerPoint. You can download it as a copy, a PDF, an ODP, or as images. About, it'll show you the different options here, terms of use, privacy and cookies, third-party notices. And then help. You can give feedback and you can get help to your PowerPoint online questions. Okay, so that's the file menu. Now, if you go to the home menu, you have a couple options here. You can undo, you can do the clipboard, delete, slides, font, paragraph, drawing, editing, and ideas. And so the idea of this is that it separates these with these options here, so you can hide a slide, duplicate, layout, new slide, etc. Now, these are just basic functionalities that you can do in PowerPoint with the home menu. And if you do insert, you can do new slide, you can add a table, pictures, online pictures, shapes, icons, smart art, office add-ins, text box, new comment, online video. Okay, we can do design. So these are different templates that they have. You can do that as well, which is a great idea. Transitions, this is fun. So we can do morph. Okay, and then this one we'll do a cut, and this one we'll do a push, and this one we'll do a wipe. And if you click here, it'll open up a few more that they have. They don't have a lot in here, but you know, you get the idea. So I'm going to go back up here and we're going to start this PowerPoint again, and I'm going to hit the right arrow And there you go. So you get the, I didn't have any effect for the first one, but the second one does the effect, and the third one does a wipe. That's very nice. So that's the transitions. Then the animations, if you click on the text. So for example, if you clicked here, you could do a fade, and then let's do test. Okay, and what you can do here is if I click on this and I click fly in, okay, now they have a lot more animations than they do transitions, and it makes sense. You don't want to have a lot of options for transitions. There should be, you know, a few, but not like crazy. So let's run this PowerPoint again, and there you go. And so when I hit the right arrow, text of dividend design fades in, and then test flies up, and then I get the other effect right there, and right there, and right here. And so I'm at the end of the slideshow, and so you can kind of see, you can do the transitions, the animation, then we can do review. So you can do check slide, check accessibility, mark all as read, show changes, you can write comments, so new comment, delete, previous, next, show comments, and then we can do view. So we can do from the beginning, from the current slide, notes, zoom, fit to window. So you can kind of go through there and customize. And like I say, if you hit simplified ribbon, that will shrink down the menu from this size to about half. And the reason they did that was to give you more real estate to create the PowerPoint. So these are kind of more hidden and more shortcut icons and whatnot. So it just depends on what layout you like. That's what you should go with. Whatever makes it easier for you to do what you need to do. So that's all I have for PowerPoint for today. But again, I want to remind you that I'm going to be creating a course called How to Get Started with PowerPoint, the complete course from beginner to master. And what it's going to do is it's going to show you how to get started, and it'll take you from a beginner to a master. By the time you're done, you will master PowerPoint. So be sure to check that out. And thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow. Take care.